How to buy Adobe Premiere Pro. To get started, head down and click the link below this video. This is going to take you across to the official Adobe website. Then you're going to head up and click on Creativity and Design. And under Featured Products, we're going to head down and select Premiere Pro. Now on the Premiere Pro homepage, you're going to see all the amazing features you get access to inside of Premiere Pro. But for now, we're going to show you how to buy Premiere Pro. So click on the Buy Now button. Then we're going to choose between individuals, business, students and teachers, and schools and university. Most of us, this is going to be an individuals package. And then you're going to choose between the Creative Cloud Pro option and the Adobe Premiere Pro only option. Now the Creative Cloud Pro option includes all the other apps that Adobe has to offer, which are Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, which we are downloading, Acrobat Pro, and Adobe Firefly, and you also get 4,000 AI generative credits to use with the amazing AI tools that Adobe has to offer. So you can choose between the Premiere Pro only and the Creative Cloud Pro. We're going to go with the Creative Cloud Pro option. And then you need to choose a subscription. So there's the monthly, annual build monthly, and prepaid. If you're a high roller, you can go with the prepaid and not worry about anything else. If you are choosing between the monthly and the annual build monthly, what you need to consider is if you go for the annual build monthly, which is normally cheaper, but the pricing might be different depending on when you're watching this video, make sure that you know if you cancel early, then fees do apply to the early cancellation. If you just want Premiere Pro for a few months, for a few edits, for a few videos to get them out, and you want to cancel in 3 or 4 months or 6 months, then go with the monthly only option. Then you can cancel at any time with no fee. So we're going to select that one, and we're going to add in a 1-month free trial of Adobe Stock, because then you get access to 10 free standard assets and you can try out Adobe Stock and see if you like it and want to keep it. So click on the blue continue button. Then we're going to check on the right hand side that they have got everything right that we wanted. Check how much is due now, and then check when that Adobe Stock free trial ends and how much you're going to be charged for Adobe Stock. Once you're happy with everything, we're going to enter our email address, and then in the next step we're going to enter your payments information. Once you've completed all of that, the Creative Cloud app will download on your Mac or your PC, and then you can download Adobe Premiere Pro and get started editing your amazing videos. If you get stuck anywhere along the way, or you have any questions about how to buy Adobe Premiere Pro, please let us know in the comment section down below and we'll be happy to help you out. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope you enjoy Premiere Pro as much as we do.